Okay.
Welcome back to the Addison County Fair and Field Days. Blacksmith shop time. We've been pounding them out. We've been burning them up. This, kiddies, is a piece of steel. Okay? You can cut it. Now, from here, we're going to go, this is a piece of steel on fire. No, this is a piece of steel that's ready to mold and shape and be bent to our will. Oh yeah, we got fire here, real fire, like 2,137 degrees fire, huh? Now I don't want to set myself on fire like I kind of almost did last year. I actually 2 hours ago I did almost set myself on fire, but I got something cooking over here and I'll show you in just a minute. We don't have a lot of clinkers in there, do we?
A little bit.
Yeah?
A little bit, yeah. Still pretty hot fire.
We get clinkers in the fire. Clinkers, that's like that buddy that comes around and just never does anything but watches you do everything. He could be a clinker. Clinkers don't make heat, they just absorb heat, you know? So your clinker comes around and he just drinks all your beverages and eats all your snack food, and then eventually you drag him out the fire and throw him out, and then put somebody else in your place. It actually makes some heat. All right, you ready? All right. Oh, hold on. I didn't get the end of that. Ooh, some cold spot down there. Must put it in the air. You hear that? That's an engine. It's a hit or miss engine from like 1918. It's got a rhythm. All right, you ready now? Okay, kids, this is a piece of steel from the fire. Hot, red hot. So hot, as a matter of fact, I forgot my other prop. I need a piece of paper. All right. Okay, kiddies, this is that piece of steel from the fire. How hot is it? It's burning my eyelids right now, but a little piece of grocery bag here, and I guess that's hot, huh? Hot enough, yeah, that's on fire. I don't want to be on fire. Next, we show the ultimate. The question here is, I can burn that paper bag, but can I burn that steel? Oh, baby. Just wait a minute. Won't be long. We'll get it. Steel forging, 101.23. Don't try this at home. Especially don't let your little brother or sister arrest it. And by the way, when the glow goes away, it'll still peel all the skin right off your fingers, so. Oh, wait, we're almost there, Look at all those pretty sparkles coming out the fire. What does that mean? Oh my goodness, you know what it means? It means it ain't 4th of July, kids. That steel is burning. That's what that sparkle is. It's getting kind of blobby and nasty. Wait, I'm not done yet. That? I don't need no speaking birthday glasses. Family members. So if I leave this in here long enough,
You're right, he's not promoting you good.
this piece of steel that started out is going to turn into a sniveling, sparkling, flabby little mess. And yeah, it'll burn up. So the next time somebody tries to tell you that the World Trade Center towers didn't burn down, show them this little video here. It's like hitting frozen taffy. It's a really good feeling. But I ruined that piece of steel. We'll get another one. See you guys.